Hey everybody, welcome to the channel or welcome back. I'm Justin, your guitar instructor for today. Do you want to level up your pentatonic game fast? I'm going to show you 5 exercises that you can start using today. Real quick though, before we get started, if you like this type of content, hit like and subscribe right now so you don't miss the next breakdown. Now before we get into it, I'm going to be using patterns and shapes from episodes 1, 2, and 3. So if you haven't seen them yet, I highly recommend looking them over. I will post the playlist in the corner right now. Alright, so here's 5 exercises that are going to improve your game very quickly. And we can start them right now. So, I'm going to first play these as eighth notes at 100 beats per minute. Then we're going to switch, we're going to do our close-ups and everything, and then I'm going to show you full speed. Let's start with exercise number 1. For this exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to go up one pattern. We're going to start with pattern 3 in A minor. All right? We're going to go up pattern 3, slide, and go down pattern 4. Now, we want to make this as smooth as possible, and we want to do it on time. All right? So, So that was exercise number 1. Ascending on 3, descending on 4, ascending on 5, descending on 1, etc., etc. And we ended with our high C on the 18th fret. So exercise number 2, this one is a little more difficult. This is known as ascending backwards, descending forwards. All right, so what that means is we're going to start with our pattern 3 again. All right, and we're actually going to go, instead of 3 to 5 here on the E string, we're going to go 5 to 3, and then we're going to go to the A string, and then 5 to 2 on the D, 5 to 2, 5, 3, 5, 3. So that was our ascending backwards. Descending forward, 3, 5. 3, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So that was pattern 3 all the way up to pattern 3 octave, doing our ascending backwards, descending forwards. Exercise number 3 is going to be a string skipped. All right, so we're going to do all of our patterns, but what we're going to do is we're going to skip a string and then come back. So. So exercise number 4, eighth note triplets. All right, so we're going to go up 3, back 1, back 1. So, and remember, whenever we're counting these, we're going to go triplet, 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 triplet. All right, so let's go ahead and do that with our eighth notes. All right, so that was exercise number 4. We're almost there, guys. We've saved the best for last. So this one is for those of you that want to take it to the next level a little bit. Maybe you don't want something that's so rudimentary and you want something a little more modern, which our next video on next Tuesday is going to be the modern version of how to use your pentatonics. So again, hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss that one. All right, here's a little bit of a taste of what that's going to be like. So for this one, what we're doing is we're going to use pattern 4 with our left hand, okay? And we're going to use pattern 2 with our right hand. All right, now we're going to do this as eighth notes first. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap. All right, so it's going to sound. All right, so that is the toughest one. Those are 5 insane exercises that you guys can use to really beef up your ability to play your pentatonics and not just play them as simple scales, but add some variety and try to get things going, get those creative juices flowing. Now, if you haven't seen my practice video about the practice mindset, go ahead and take a look at that because I picked all of these exercises, okay? You can do them with legatos. You can do them with eighth note and 16ths, little da, dit, da, dit. You can do them with 16th eighths, dit, da, dit, da. You can use variety. You can use accents on certain ones. You can switch it up, all right? Just do 10 minutes a day of just playing around with these 5. Try to throw a wrench in the works. Try to get something different going on, all right? But keep these 5 in mind. When you're tapping, use pattern 3 and pattern 1. Why not, right? Pattern 3 and pattern 5. Do anything like that. Just keep it fresh. Don't do the same thing and don't just play your scales. If you got value from this lesson, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want the lesson tabs, and the PDFs, the Guitar Pro, all that stuff, just head over to my Patreon. It's all there. It's free. It's in the free member section. Just join. Join and become a free member. Get all the free stuff. Why not? Again, I would love to answer questions and comments on a weekly Q&A. So please leave them below so I can get that going. So until next time, keep practicing, keep progressing, and keep having fun.